Hey guys, what it is, what's up, Maya here. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing some general advice for HBCU freshmen. If you're new to my channel, I'm Maya, by the way, and I attend the illustrious Spelman College, you know, the #1 HBCU in the nation. Whatever. But I feel like there are certain things that all HBCU students can relate to. So I just want to say congratulations to the class of 2020. So I just want to say congratulations to the class of 2022. Even if you're not going to an HBCU, wherever you are going, community college, PWI, wherever, congratulations to you. And I'm sure a lot of this advice can apply to you as well and help you. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into the video. So my first tip, which I know you probably hear a lot from college students, and that is do not take an 8 a.m. Okay? Don't do it, girl. Do not do it. This is coming from somebody who took an 8 a.m. last semester. It was math. I had it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I wanted to kill myself. I went to every single class though because it was math, and I was like, I can't be missing this class. Even during homecoming week, I went to every single class, y'all, but it was the struggle. Like, sometimes I literally did not get out of my bed until 7:50. Like, it was the struggle. I know you're probably like, oh, I gotta be at high school at 8, blah, 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 whatever. It's not the same. In college, it's not the same. The only reason I took it was because all the other math classes were full. So it's like, you know, if you have to, okay, but avoid it at all costs. I'm telling you. So my next advice would be do not talk about Greek life. I don't really know how the whole Greek life thing goes at PWIs, like with white sororities and fraternities and whatnot, but even if you're not at an HBCU but you're at a PWI with black sororities, do not talk about them, okay? Don't be on Instagram and Snapchat talking about, oh, I want to be this, I want to be that. You are going to get yourself blacklisted, and blacklisted is basically when they not going to let you in. Like, your name is going to, you ain't getting in. Whatever you want to be, whatever you want to do, keep that on a hush. Tell your mom, tell your dad, maybe tell your best friend. That's about it. My next advice would be do not go to every party. And I know this probably seems like duh, but yo. And when I say every party, I don't mean every party, but like, cause you're not gonna go to every party, but you're gonna be tempted to want to go to a lot. So don't go to a lot of parties, y'all. Especially these parties you gotta pay for. I don't know what it's like at other schools, but in the AUC, to be completely honest, most of the time the parties that are free are better than the parties you gotta pay like $5, $10, $15. Don't nobody have time for that, you know? Y'all, I went to one party. It was homecoming week and we had to pay for it. I think originally it was only $5, but to skip the line was $10. And when I tell y'all it was cold that day and the line was long, and we were like, okay, we'll just all pay $10. Boy, I got in that party, y'all. Everybody was sitting down. Literally, we walked in, everybody turned and looked at us, everybody was sitting down. I was like, are you serious? I just paid $10 for this. So choose your parties wisely, y'all. After a while, parties don't even be that fun anymore. Like, I'm kind of like over parties at this point. And honestly, y'all, I didn't even go to that many. I probably went to about 4. You know, have your fun, but don't overdo it. My fourth advice would be do not stress over these group me's and these group chats. I know for HBCUs, group chats are very, very popular. Some people might say like don't join the group me's or do. I will tell you join, but proceed with caution. Like, don't be making a whole bunch of like relationships through the group me's. Don't be making your best friends through the group me's. Don't be doing all that, because people try to make themselves seem a certain way on social media, and then y'all can get to campus, y'all been talking all summer, you get to campus and people act like they don't even know you. And also too, a lot of them just have drama in them. Don't build relationships, but don't burn bridges. Don't cause unnecessary drama before you even get on campus. And then you're in a group chat so everybody can read it, and honestly you don't know who might be in there, so don't put that stuff out there. My next tip would be wear your school gear everywhere. Whenever you travel, wear it. Since I only live about an hour and some change away from Spelman, I don't have to go to an airport or anything to go back home for break. But a lot of my friends who do, they wear their Spelman or Morehouse or Clark stuff, and they say like alumni come up to them. They'll, you know, build connections and network with them. Sometimes they give them money, stuff like that. So rock your school paraphernalia. I literally wear my Spelman shirt like whenever I'm home. I'm wearing my Spelman shirt. And don't just do it for that, for the alumni, but do it because you love your school. Do it because you're proud, because you should be proud, especially if you go to an HBCU. My last tip for you guys would be, do not be out here acting crazy on social media. Don't be out here cussing all on Twitter. If you're at a party and you are drunk as you don't know what, if somebody do this, turn that flash on in your direction, do this. Turn your head, because somebody will post that and somebody will see it and somebody else will see it and somebody will send it to somebody who could maybe be your potential boss. Don't do it. Do not be out here acting a fool on social media. We are grown adults now. You have to really start thinking about your future. So just don't be out here posting just crazy stuff. You know, everybody has their little crazy nights. You might post a couple snaps, but don't post anything just too out there. And don't be posting no crazy pictures on Instagram. If you're comfortable with posting it, post it, but just think about the effects it could have on you in the future for internship interviews, job interviews, any type of opportunities. Just please think about that, you guys. This is real life. You're getting into the real world. It's not high school anymore. So those were just a few tips for you guys. I hope you found them helpful. Also, I do plan on doing a Spelman advice video for all my Spelman 22 babies. If you are a Spelman 22, please do not be afraid to hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, in the description box, whatever, for questions you might have. I would be more than happy to answer them for you guys. If you haven't done so already, make sure you press the subscribe button for more videos. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.